Hola, hi, how are you? My name is Melina. Welcome to my channel, and if you clicked on this video, get ready to learn about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, I will be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the MixEasy skincare products that you can customize to your own skincare. And they also do hair. So, are y'all excited to open this box? Well, yeah, me too. But first of all, let me tell you the importance about skincare. You might want to get a drink for this. And also, get you a notepad to write down any information. And yeah, let's get to it. So you guys, let's talk about skincare. True or false? Can your phone cause premature aging? True? False? What do y'all think? If you guys said false, you are not correct. So iPhones, tablets, electronic devices, they produce high energy visible light that can break down collagen that is produced by the skin and give you premature aging when you're young. So having your phone, taking a selfie, looking at your phone, looking on Instagram, looking on Facebook for hours can cause you to age. So girl, I know I'm always taking selfies, recording for YouTube and everything, so this is major. We need a skincare to take care and repair back, give us some collagen, repair our skin back to health, to youth. So girl, that's where you can choose a lot of ingredients for anti-aging to bring back that collagen in your skin to help it to aid it with anti-aging. But in all seriousness, it is so scary knowing that your electronic device, your best friend, can cause you premature aging over time, and it breaks down the collagen with some little light. And think of it this way: when you girls or guys do your nails, you put it under the LED light, your hands can age too. So it's important to use something preventative on your skin, like sunscreen or some skincare to help you out. Also, there are a lot of skincare, high-end drugstore skincare lines that contain a lot of harsh chemicals, dyes, and just secret ingredients that I can't even pronounce that are so bad for your skin, the environment. You don't even know what's going in your skin. So yeah, with MixEasy, you know exactly what's going on your skin. You choose the ingredients for your own skin type, and for whatever results you want to achieve at the end, you are the driver. You are in control of your skin, and you choose everything that goes in these magical bottles and you put on your skin. So with that being said, I am so excited that MixEasy reached out to me and sent me some products to try out for you guys and for myself. And I really don't just put anything on my face, but looking into MixEasy and finding out, hearing that they are cruelty-free, vegan friendly, and most importantly, you get to choose what in the ingredients in the bottle, that's when I said I have to try this out for myself, because I am in control of my own skin for once, and I don't have to deal with harsh chemicals and dyes and parabens that can cause a lot of bad things to my skin. So I said, bring them out here, I'll test them out for you guys, and I'll give my honest opinion, honest review. I just don't put anything on my face, so I'll let you guys know the truth, the exact truth on my face. So in this video, I'm gonna just do a first impressions try on, but in 2 weeks, I will have an update on how everything went, how I like the products, how my skin took it. I do have oily skin, full oily skin. Like when I tell you it's oily, you could cook an egg under here and all this. Like I wash my face, 5 minutes later it's oily. I have the most oily skin ever, so I am so eager to see how this works. So you guys, let me show you how easy and fast it was for me to customize my own skincare type to what I wanted, what results I wanted. It was so fast, so easy. You have full control. You just go on the website and make your selections on what you want and what you want the skincare to do for you. Okay, you guys, once you pull up the website, it'll ask you face or hair. I chose face, and they have an array of products. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the Gentle Face Cleanser, and it asks you your skin type. I'm oily, really oily. Once you choose that, you can choose up to 5 ingredients. I'm choosing purifying and unclogging, minimizing pores. They have a lot. I'm doing preventing signs of aging, anti-aging for me, and reducing scars. And when you click it, it gives you a brief description of everything. It also prompts you to choose your fragrance. I love cucumber, so I'm choosing cucumber. And then you can even name your formula. I'm just simply naming it step 1. Once you choose your formula name, it'll take you to the list of products, your cart, and it'll give you your total, and it breaks it down by price. But you guys, guess what? I have a discount for you guys, so you guys can save 15% off your full purchase. So just simply type in Stevie, S-T-E-V-I-E in capital letters, and here it'll give you 15% off, you guys, off your full purchase. To get this discount, you can use my code Stevie, all capital letters, S-T-E-V-I-E at checkout. Make sure you put it on checkout, Stevie, and it will give you 15% off your entire purchase, you guys. As soon as you order, your skincare is made fresh with fresh ingredients right there and then. It's not pre-made because you're choosing the ingredients, so that's awesome. So you guys, enough about me talking and rambling. Let's actually unbox the MixEasy products that were sent to me. Let's open this box, you guys. Okay, you guys, so here I have my MixEasy package. I'm not gonna show you my address for security purposes, so let's open it. And here she comes. MixEasy comes with their little logo. And I did choose the MixEasy face mask, unique formula. I also chose their face cream. The packaging, you guys, the packaging is so pretty. It feels so sleek. I'm already liking it. And the last thing I chose, the Gentle Face Cleanser. And I love that it's so sleek, you guys. And it also comes with the invoice to show you what you got. So you guys, I'm starting with the face mask right here, and we're gonna try it out. It says sealed for your protection. I love that. Oh my, the smell is so delicious. It's cucumber for sure, you guys. Cucumber and bamboo scented. It smells so fresh, so fresh, so natural. And I'm into plants, so that's a plus. It feels so cooling on the skin. It feels really good. It's like you're treating your skin to a little air conditioning session because it's so cooling. so refreshing, especially in the summertime. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like it's irritating my skin at all or making it, you know how some masks can feel like it's like hardening your skin or irritating it, or I don't see any redness, not yet anyways, but it just feels like you're in the spa. It feels really good. So you guys, I'm gonna leave for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna see and come back and update you guys on any changes, any redness or anything, any peeling, burning that I feel. But so far, it's feeling amazing. So you guys, I'm back. As y'all can see, this face mask really sunk in. It feels more of an oil now, which is so cool, so amazing, because it's literally like a good essential oil on your skin, I would describe it, instead of like harsh chemicals. And my skin, I will admit, there wasn't tingling, it was just on my blemishes. It did feel a little itchy, just a little itch, but I don't blame the product because you have a blemish, so if you put something on it, it's gonna tickle. It was just a light tickle. It wasn't like an irritation. My face is not like completely red and irritated. It literally just feels like an oil. Next, I'm gonna try the Gentle Face Scrub. It's really milky, you guys. I'm gonna put it on my palm. And again, that smell is so delicious. I'm gonna grab a little more. It's really milky. This one has more of a warm feeling when you put it on. And I can definitely feel some oils in there as well. It's not too foamy. I worked it in my skin. I gently massaged it. And I'm just gonna wash it off right now. Okay, you guys. The last step I'm gonna use is a face cream. It smells so good. I didn't choose rose, but it smells kind of like flowers. A little bit cucumber, like flower, cucumber fresh. Maybe like a flower in there, a little floral, a little massage, because we're almost done. And I do have acne scars here and here as well, so I'm excited to see if it'll help with that. I do have blemishes here, here, a big one here, some here. Like I said, I have acne scars, so I'll keep y'all updated to see how this works. But you guys, I am done. This is my full try on first impressions. My first impressions with this product were that it feels so fresh, so refreshing. It feels so refreshing. It feels like you're in the spa. It doesn't irritate my skin, at least. I don't think it irritates anybody's skin because, like I said, it doesn't have any harsh chemicals. Everything is fresh, vegan, cruelty-free. You know exactly what's going in your face, so I didn't get any irritations whatsoever. No redness. This bump is already there. It feels really moisturized, and this would be great for putting your makeup on top because it's dewy, the skin feels dewy, really fresh. So my first impressions is that I like this product so far, but I will update you guys in 2 weeks. We will see how my face looks. And I'm only gonna use these products, nothing else, no Cetaphil, no nothing, no creams, no other moisturizers or whatnot. When I do my makeup, I'm gonna use this face cream. We're gonna test it out for 2 weeks. I'm gonna keep you updated. So you guys, don't forget that I do have a discount code. If you use the discount code Stevie, you can get 15% off your entire purchase, so you guys don't have to pay full price. So y'all can get to try this skincare product for yourself and just choose it for your own skin type. Mine's oily, mine's acne prone, and maybe yours is different. And MixEasy caters to every skin type and hair products too. So hopefully in the future I get to try those for you guys and give you a review on that too. But anyways, you guys, if you like this video, give it a like, comment what you liked, what you didn't like. Leave me a comment if you want to try it. I'll have the link of the website for you guys, and that code again is Stevie, S-T-E-V-I-E in capital letters. Put it on when you check out. It will save you 15% off your entire purchase. So I'll have all the information, and yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. And thank you guys for watching and doing some skincare with me. And hopefully you guys come back and see my 2-week results of the brand MixEasy. Here it is. I was not paid to do this. I was just sent these products for a review, and I'm gonna tell you my honest review, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Y'all saw me using it. So if my face looks bad, y'all gonna see it. Anyways, you guys, I love you guys, and see y'all in my next video. Thank you, MixEasy, and yeah, see y'all in my next video, you guys. Bye bye.